Hello viewers, I hope everyone is good and today I'm going to tell you how you can change the password of your user in Windows 10. Now type control panel in the search bar, open this. Now click on user accounts. Now click on user account again. Now click on manage other account. Now select the account you want to change the password. Now click on change the password. Enter your current password here. Enter your new password here. Now confirm your new password here. If you want to type a password hint, you can type it here or you can simply click on change password. Now the password is changed. Now that's how you can change the user password with just 3 to 4 clicks. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more.